Good morning, P1 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 10th of June 2020. So today our learning target is that we are able to read our learner's book. So if you have your book with you, please open it to page 44 and page 45. Page 45. So 44 and 45. So if you don't have your book with you, please stand up, pause the video, and then come back. We will do it together. Okay? All right. So welcome back. Okay, so now let's go and look at this page. So this one is page 44. So in this page, we are going to identify, or how we're going to know how toys work. So how do these toys work? So again, we have push. It's a type of force that you move something or someone away from you, and then pull if you want to move something or someone close to you, right? So these are some toys. So what do you think we can do with this? Can we push this one? Yes, we can push. Can we pull it? Yes, we can also pull this toy. How about this toy? Can we push it? Of course, yes. We can pull it? Yes, very nice. How about this bike? Can we push the bike? Yes. Can we pull the bike? Yes, we can. And how about this giraffe toy? There's a string on here, so it's easy to pull, right? And if you want to push it, you have to sit on your knee and, oh no, you have to kneel down and push it, right? So with your assignment yesterday also is that you are going to decide, right? Whatever the picture that I showed you, you have to decide which one is the best for that picture. Is it push or pull? So again, for these toys, you can do push and you can do pull. So a push or a pull can make things move, like motion. Remember, we talk about motion. Motion is the change of position or location. Which toys do you pull? So as you can see also, which of these toys you can tell directly right away that you can pull it. Which one? Which toys have handles or that you can hold, or a string that you can hold? So if you look at the picture, we can say it directly that this toy and the giraffe are things that we can pull, right? We can pull because there's a handle and it's easy to pull. And which toys do you push? So which one do you push? So this and this. But again, you can either push it or you can either pull it. It's up to you, right? But if we are asked, which one do you think you can pull? So which of this is it to pull? This toy and this toy. Which of these pictures are easy to push? This one and this one. Okay, now I want you to turn your book to page 45. 45. Yeah, 45. Okay, so a moving toy. Make a push or pull toy like this. So this, his name is Ahmed, and her name is Anita. So what are they doing is that they're making, or they are creating some toys that they can push or they can pull, right? So similar with the assignment last time, the teacher asked you to draw a toy that you push and a toy that you pull. So those are drawings, but this one is about making toys that you can push or you can pull. So Ahmed has made this toy. It moves when you pull it. So Ahmed is making a Lego boat, and in the book you can see that there is a string, and it's easy for Ahmed to pull it. Very good. And how about for Anita? Anita has made this toy. It moves when you push it. So look, as you can see, there's a handle, and she is making like a cart with a doll in it. It looks like a doll or a girl in it. So this toy she can push. Very good. All right. So again, let's read one more time. You can read with teacher. Are you ready? Very good. A moving toy. Make a push or pull toy like this. Ahmed has made this toy. Good job. It moves when you pull it. Very good. Anita has made this toy. Very good. It moves when you push it. Excellent. So here, you can talk about how you make your toy move with your mom, with your dad, with your siblings, with your younger brother or older brother or younger sister or older sister. Okay, so this will be all for today. Thank you so much for listening. And teacher will give you a high five. Very good. And also, I have here something for you. This is a gift. This is a gift. So I'm gonna pull the top. Pull. What's inside? Pull one. Wow! You got a star. Very good. Goodbye.